where did the idea for Spellodies come from?
So, well, it came from my older son, Freddie, when he came home from school with his spelling homework. And he had this, he needed to learn the word because, and the teacher had said, write it out 5 times, which of course he didn't want to do because that's boring. And I remembered when I was at school, I used to write songs to help me remember things for exams. So I was like, I'll just write you a song to remember it. And he really liked the Ramones at the time, so I wrote him this chorus that was like, B-E-C-A-U-S. It was like this, this Ramonesy thing. And it worked. And then because my husband and I are songwriters, we also wrote 2 verses and pre-choruses and a bridge, because that's what we do.
Yeah.
After we had about 3 or 4 songs, we were like, I think this could be an album. And so we went and talked to teachers and got some proper advice on how spelling works.
And what have the teachers' feedback
They've been like, write more. Write 100 of these. I'm like, yeah, okay, cool.